Hey everyone, welcome back. If bill payments are not working in the TD app, start by confirming that the pay information is entered correctly. Check that the account has available funds to complete the payment. Make sure all the bill payment date is not set too far in the future or in the past. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, then reopen it. Then try submitting the payment again. If the bill pay feature still fails, log out and log back into the app. For ongoing issues, contact TD support to verify whether there are no restrictions on your account or not. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.